Good morning, students. This is chapter Soil, part 5, chapter 9. Today we will learn about properties of soil. In the last class, we learned about types of soil. Today, properties of soil. Okay, so let's start. Properties of soil. Based upon its various properties, soil is used for the desired purpose. We use soil for different purpose, either pottery, construction of building, farming, etc. First property, rate of percolation of water. Percolation means the amount of water reach the bottom of the soil. जब आप ऊपर से पानी डालोगे सॉइल में तो वो कितनी देर में नीचे पहुंचता है, मतलब उसका जो रिसना एक वर्ड होता है ना हिंदी में, रिस करके कितनी देर में वो रिस के नीचे पहुंचता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड परकोलेशन. टाइम टेकन बाय a given amount of water to reach the bottom layer of the soil is called rate of percolation. जैसे आप ऊपर से पानी डालते हो और आप टाइम देखते रहो तो कितना देर में वो नीचे दिखाई दिया बॉटम पे. दिस इज कॉल्ड परकोलेशन. कितना वो, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर फार्मिंग ऑल्सो. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी टू अंडरस्टैंड द रेट ऑफ परकोलेशन ऑफ वाटर. To calculate the rate of percolation of water, there is a one definition we will tell you. Material required: plastic bottle, water and stopwatch. Procedure: take 3 plastic bottle of equal size and cut 3 base to make 3 holes, 3 hollow pipes. Okay, place these about 2 centimeter deep in the ground at different places. 3 बॉटल लेना है, उसमें 3 आपको ना 3 हॉलो पाइप लगाना है और फिर उसको मिट्टी के अंदर में 2 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आपको दबा के उसको रख देना है. डिवाइड द क्लास इंटू 3 ग्रुप्स, ऑल चिल्ड्रंस इंटू 3 ग्रुप्स टू रिकॉर्ड योर ऑब्जर्वेशन एट 3 लोकेशन. तीनों लोकेशन पे 3 ग्रुप में बच्चों को बिठा देना है. With 3 different type of soil. Here in 3 bottle, soils are of different types. Each group should take 200 ml water in the bottle to be poured at this location. All 3 have 200 ml of water. Keep a stopwatch ready. Start it as soon as you start pouring water into the pipe. Pour 200 ml water slowly into each pipe, taking care not to let the water spill over. इधर उधर नहीं जाना चाहिए, आपको बिल्कुल उस पाइप के अंदर ही डालना है. What happened? Note the time taken in each case for water to percolate into the ground. कितनी देर में सारा 200 ml water चला गया. Observation and discussion. Observe carefully the various layers that have formed due to sedimentation. Observe carefully the various layers that have formed due to sedimentation. Do you see any difference in the color and texture of the layer? Is there anything floating on the water? This you have to do when school will open. Maybe we will do this activity. Example first. If it took 10 minutes for percolation of 200 ml water through a soil sample, 200 ml we have. If time taken 10 minutes, then what is the percolation, rate of percolation? It is 200 ml divided by 10 minutes. This is the formula of the rate of percolation. Amount of water divided by time taken. Which type of soil do you think will have maximum rate of percolation? the soil with maximum space between the soil particles will have maximum percolation rate. सबसे ज़्यादा पानी किस में जाएगा सबसे पहले? जो सैंडी सॉइल होगा, बिकॉज दे हैव मोर स्पेस. सो द फॉर्मूला, अगर इफ क्वेश्चन अराइजेज, write down or solve the rate of percolation, then the formula will be amount of water divided by time taken. Here in this case we have water 200 ml and time 10 minutes. Then the rate of percolation is 200 divided by 10, means 20 ml per minute. Means percolation rate is 20 ml water is percolated in 1 minute. Understood? Next is absorption water. Second property of water, soil is absorption of water. Water कितना absorb कर सकता है? We have already studied about water retention and absorption of different type of soil. The amount of water absorbed by soil can be expressed by the formula. Water absorbed by soil, volume of water divided by weight of soil. Absorption of water का ये formula है. Amount of water absorbed in ml divided by weight of soil, not ml, not in ml, it is in gram. So we will say milliliter per gram. Let us learn the calculate the water absorbency of a given sample of soil activity. This activity is to understand the absorption of soil. To calculate the water absorbency of a given sample of soil, material required: measuring cylinder, a glass rod, some soil, newspaper sheet to make filter, water, etc. Procedure: arrange a filtration apparatus. I think you have studied in class 6 filtration in chapter how sorting out of material. Maybe in this chapter filtration you have studied in class 6. So you know how to filter. A filter you have okay, let's start. Arrange a filtration apparatus as shown in the diagram, but there is no diagram. Keep a measuring cylinder and a glass rod ready. Put a weighted amount of soil on a filter paper. आप weight ले लो और फिर उस soil को filter paper पे रखना है. You can fold the newspaper sheet in a shape of a funnel. If filter paper is not available, take care of to break the lumps if any in the soil. मिट्टी को बिल्कुल तोड़ के छोटा कर लेना है. Pour water down. अब आपको क्या करना है, उसके ऊपर ना सॉइल के ऊपर वाटर डालना है और देखना है नीचे कितनी देर में वाटर निकलता है. Pour water down the sides of the glass rod and using a dropper, spreading it all over the soil placed on the filter paper in a filtering funnel, just like a filtering funnel बनाना है. Keep a check that no water drips down the funnel. Stop adding water once it starts dripping from the stem of the funnel. जब ऊपर थोड़ा थोड़ा डालने के बाद जैसे ही नीचे से स्टार्ट हुआ ड्रॉप गिरना, आपको रोक देना है. और फिर वो आपको टाइम देखना है, और सॉरी टाइम नहीं देखना है इसमें, तो हम लोग को वाटर का वॉल्यूम देखना है. और ना सॉइल का वेट हमने पहले ही ले चुके थे. Discussion and conclusion. Stop adding water once it starts dripping from the stem of the funnel. Okay, you understood? Calculate the water absorbency of the soil using the formula. Water absorbency of soil is equal to volume of water divided by weight of soil. So collect your findings in the table in your notebook. If water absorbed is 200 ml and weight of soil is 10 gram, then what will be the water absorbency? 200 divided by 10 means whatever it is, that is the water absorbency of soil. So this is all for today, I think. Next day we will do another thing. Thank you so much for watching the video.